Thinking about trading with XNES but unsure if it's a reliable platform or just another online trap? Let's find out. First, we need to check XNES's regulation. Scroll down to the footer of their website. Reputable brokers are usually regulated by top-tier financial authorities. Look for names like the FCA in the UK, CISEC in Cyprus, or ASIC in Australia. See these logos. The more recognized and stringent the regulator, the better. XNES often holds licenses from several different regulatory bodies. Click on each logo to verify the license is active and valid directly on the regulator's website, a critical step in ensuring legitimacy. Next, let's examine the trading conditions. XNES typically offers a wide range of trading instruments, low spreads, and various account types. Low spreads aren't always good, so don't consider this the only factor. Now, let's look at customer reviews. Head over to Trustpilot or similar review sites and search for XNES. Pay attention to the overall rating and read both positive and negative reviews to get a balanced perspective. Look for common themes in the complaints, such as withdrawal issues or customer service problems. Finally, review the deposit and withdrawal options. XNES usually offers a variety of convenient methods. Make sure they align with your preferences. Be mindful of potential fees and processing times associated with each method, as these can vary. So, is XNES legit? While they have some regulation and a variety of offerings, remember this video is not financial advice. Always conduct your own thorough research before investing with any broker. Good luck and happy trading.